everybody here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we got started, click that subscribe button, turn notification, give me a huge thumbs up. Today guys, we are nothing playing because my tablet is low bat. Oh look my Sing Sing. Hello Kitty. Pabitong Hello Kitty ng mama ko. Pati si Francesca. Kaklase ko dati yung grade 1. Hindi nga nakikita guys. Sinusot ko ito pa few weeks. Yon nag-uwian namin na wala ang sing-sing ko. Kala mo na wala, sa bag ko pala. Tapos, ganun. Okay, my little brothers, kulitan. I will play some things. Sorry guys, may sipon kasi ako. And here's my favorite plushie. Pakita ko sa'yo. Sakit. Hindi lang guys kasi binugbog ako ni Carl sa mata. Lola! Binugbog ako ni Kali sa mata dito.
Mapanakit ang kamay mo, mapanakit ang kamay mo, mapanakit ang kamay mo.
Uy, malunok mo yan!
Ipis, putang ina. Ipis.
Ay, ko! Ipis guys. Ko. Ayun.
Yes.
Hindi nyo nakikita ba?
Ipakakain ko kayo dito.
Si Kali kasi binugbog niya ako sa mata. Muntik na bulag ako. Lola na! Hulog!
Nahulog saan?
Doon!
Sana?
Go! Yayo! Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And our video again is what is today? June. Okay, it's February 2025, 26. And today guys, we're here. Hindi ko alam mo talaga. Kali, ito na lang ang kulit mo. Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye! Because I have one subscriber. It's me. I just wish I'm a YouTuber. And a doctor. Pangarap ko ito. YouTuber, doctor, singer, dancer, and teacher. And mama. Be a mother. And that's my pangarap. Be a big girl. And my birthday pag 7 na ako. Okay guys, I'm 6 now. My eyes is hurting. I'ma cry. Because hindi lang guys may bebele. Si Lola na guys. Wag na ako. Magana na ako video. Every week, video because I want a million subscribers because I want to be a YouTuber for years and my dream is come true. God bless and stay healthy and remember to stay healthy because look at me. I'm have siphon. Sky! Kukurutin kita! Kulit mo! Okay guys, my comment is so kulit. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.